In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add horizontal scrolling to Figma. Now, it's quite easy to do, but make sure you pay close attention to ensure you get every step correct and you don't mess it up. Let's get right into it. So the first thing I've actually gone ahead and done is created a little iOS border here. And I'm going to bring some icons into this to make the horizontal scroll effect with. Now, I'm just going to grab these in a 69 by 69 ratio. So I'm going to just grab this one here. This one here, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. I think that's enough for now. Now I'm going to close that, and I'm just going to click and drag on all of these. I'm just going to select them all, and I'm going to bring them to where I want them to be on the screen. So I'm going to say that I want them to be here. Now, by default, when you put yours in like this, it should overflow like this, and that's completely fine. So just make sure you line this up nicely. I'm just going to do it, pretty basic for now. So from here, what we want to do is go over to the right-hand side and go to the auto layout section. And we're just going to turn that on. And we're going to set this to 20 as the horizontal gap. And what we need to do is we need to click on the end of this here, and we need to press the Control key, and we need to basically drag this down here until it gets to the end of the window like that. So now that we've gone ahead and done that, we need to go over here to the clip content section, and we're going to click that on, and you can see now that we've selected the border here. The other items are not going to overflow anymore. They're going to be hidden behind the background basically. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to go ahead and go up into the prototype section here. And we need to go down to this section here, scroll behavior. And for overflow, we're going to put horizontal. So now what we can do is we can go ahead and we can go up to this button here, which is the present one. And if we've done this correctly, it should work. Here we go. So now if I try and scroll along, you can see the scroll effect actually works. And it's going to stop the items. It's going to scroll across the screen like this. But that is basically how you do it. So you can fix it a bit more and, add some tweaks to it so it looks a bit cleaner. But this is the basics of how you actually add the scrolling. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to go down below and like and subscribe, and also comment that it helped you out so other people can watch the same video and get the same great advice. Thank you for watching.